Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up for the Louis Vuitton affiliate program. Now this tutorial will be step by step, so make sure you watch this video right until the end so that you don't miss any of these steps. So Louis Vuitton is actually one of the most popular luxury brands in the world and its products are in high demand. If you have a blog or website that focuses on fashion or luxury goods, you may be interested in joining an affiliate program for Louis Vuitton. However, it is important to note that Louis Vuitton does not have its own affiliate program. But you can actually join affiliate programs for third-party retailers that sell Louis Vuitton products. And here are some popular options. So the first one is Netapporter's affiliate program. Their commission is 6% on all products, excluding sale items and luxury watches. Their luxury watch commission is 3%. Sales item commission is also 3%. And the cookie duration is 14 days. So if you wanted to apply for that, you could head over to the Netapporter website and you can find their affiliate program and sign up for that. Now the second option is actually Netapporter, and the Netapporter affiliate program actually offers competitive commission rates, which will allow affiliates to earn a percentage of each referred sale. So commission rates will vary depending on the type of product, and it will range from 6% all the way up to 10%, which is pretty good. So affiliates can earn up to 10% commission on luxury fashion and beauty products and up to 8% on fine jewellery. This program provides a 30-day tracking cookie, ensuring affiliates receive credit for sales made within that period. Now the third option is Fashionphile. They offer a commission rate of 5%. The cookie duration is 30 days and the payment terms are every 30 days. So if you wanted to sign up for that, you could head over to their website and look for their affiliate program. Now next up we have Luxury Garage Sale, and they have a single tier commission, so affiliates can earn commissions only on sales that they generate. They also have a fixed commission rate, which means affiliates can earn a 5% commission on all sales, except for items that cost more than $5,000, and which they will make a 3% commission. And there's also no minimum payout, so affiliates can request a payout once they have earned $25, which shouldn't take too long at all. Next up is the Farfetch affiliate program, and they actually offer up to 13% commission. They have a 30-day cookie window and it's free to join. They have commission on all approved global sales, which excludes returns and cancellations. They also have daily product feeds to support a variety of currencies. And they also often have competitions and giveaways and a regular newsletter about new product arrivals, new boutiques, features and offers. So in my opinion, out of all these options, Farfetch would probably be the best one because it earns up to 13% commission, which is the highest. So in order to actually sign up for that, you'd have to head over to Farfetch's website. And then if you go into their website and scroll down to the bottom, under discounts and membership, you'll see this option, which is affiliate program. So in order to actually sign up for it, you need to click on that. And then here it tells you a bit about the benefits. However, we've already learned about that. So in order to actually sign up, you will have to email them. So since we want to join the affiliate program, we will have to email with this email. And it says here, email us the name and URL of your website or blog, and they will review your site and respond to your email within 7 days with further information on how to join the affiliate program. So as it says there, just make sure you email them the name and the URL of your website or blog, and then they'll get back to you after around a week and they'll let you know if you are or aren't approved. And if you are approved, they'll send you some further information, which you can then you'll likely have to fill in a form telling them a bit about yourself, and then from there you should be able to access their affiliate program, and then from there you'll be able to promote your Louis Vuitton links on your website or blog. So that is exactly how you can sign up for the Louis Vuitton affiliate program. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.